Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chineke Obi. Merry Christmas! It's been a while here. So, how is the holidays going? Today is 28th of December. Today, this random video is just to be what are you grateful for the year? It's 2 days or 3 days to the end of 2022. What are you grateful for? What are you grateful for? You can leave in the comment section what you're grateful for life, for health. If you're able to see this video, it's something to be grateful about. We're grateful for God's protection, His mercy all through the year. We are hale and hearty, even though you have one challenge going or not. But we are grateful and hoping for a better tomorrow. We thank God for keeping us thus far. And I wish you the very best in the new year. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous new year filled with love, happiness, and everything good.
You only keep cooking. So, we saw you went down.
This is to, encourage you just in case you have one thing going. Somebody's making noise in the background. Just in case you have one thing weighing you down,
where are they going?
Just look on the positive side of life and stay positive. The year is coming to an end, but just remain positive and pray and hope for a better 2023. So let go of those hurting feelings. Let go of anyone who does not add value to your life. Let go of anyone who makes you feel less of yourself. Let go of anybody who is a form of a negative vibe to you, and network or connect with people who make you feel better, people who will make you grow, people who will make you seek or answer to your purpose in life and be a better person. Ensure to do good always. Be kind and not necessarily nice. Be kind to others, to all around, and ensure you make the best out of the remaining days of the year and into the new year. We pray God keeps us alive, hale and hearty to see the new year in good health of mind and body. So this is to wish you again a Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2023 in advance. I'll see you in my next video. Remember to always stay healthy and create a happy place. Bye for now.